Before you scroll through Reddit, pause, because most people think turning off safe search is complicated or even impossible. The surprising truth is that you can disable it in just a few steps, giving you access to all content while staying in control of what you see. Safe Search is Reddit's built-in filter that blocks adult or potentially sensitive content from appearing in your searches. By default, it is turned on for all accounts. You won't believe what happens next when users finally see how many posts were being hit, and sometimes entire subreddits don't show up. Here's how to turn it off. First, log into your Reddit account on a desktop browser or mobile app. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right corner and go to User Settings. Then select Feed Settings and scroll down to Safe Search. Toggle the option to off. On mobile, open the Reddit app, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Account Settings, and disable Safe Search. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume Safe Search is controlled per subreddit. In reality, it's a global setting affecting all searches. You can also control NSFW content visibility by enabling or disabling the adult content toggle in the settings, giving you finer control over what appears in your feed. The surprising truth about Reddit Safe Search is that it's flexible. You can turn it on or off anytime depending on your preferences. Turning it off doesn't mean you will see spam or unsafe content constantly. It just gives you the full spectrum of posts while keeping Reddit's other safety measures intact. If this guide helped you regain full access to Reddit, subscribe for more smart platform tips and tricks that save you time.